how to add another page in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, a request: if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, here we are. This is my Google Docs and you can see I have only one page. So if you want to put another page in bottom next to this page, just click on the keep keep enter the enter button. Okay, then you can see the next page will be insert like this. Okay, and if you want to insert the page between two page, then just keep the cursor on the top of below page, go to the insert and go to the break and go to the page break. Then between to this page, the new page will be inserted here. Okay, so that is how you can insert the another page. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.